Yes, guys, I'm very sorry. My mom and dad are watching something. But anyways, this car is really strong, and if you really see it, there's something back here. This over here, this is where the part, if you make this go back, if you make this go forward, if you make just and let go, and the details are really cool. This door opens, and this can go up and down. And it's really cool to play this. Real cool. And it's very strong and detailed. Good. And just to tell you guys, it's only one thing is made out of a brick, but everything else is not a brick. It's all made of this, except for these two. Very cool. And let me show you the box. Here. This is the box. And you have to be 7 to 14. And if you have these two, you can make this car. Even you can play it on a computer, iPad, or iPod. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later in the Lego show again.